Hello there, it's Keith Downing presenting for Group 3. I'm going to be presenting our presentation on Chapter 1, Agile Continuous Delivery and the Three Ways. Manufacturing the value stream. It's defined as the sequence of activities an organization undertakes to deliver upon a customer request, or the sequence of activities required to design, produce, and deliver a good or service to a customer, including the dual flows of information and material. And begin with the customer order and the raw materials released to the floor. And of course, for faster lead times, you need to use techniques such as small batch sizes, reducing work in process, preventing rework, and optimizing system towards global goals. And the technology value stream, defined as a process required to convert a business hypothesis into a technology-enabled service that delivers value to a customer. And also included in this is the percentage complete and accurate. That's going to be the output quality of each step in the value stream. And it's going to be obtained by asking customers downstream the percentage of time they received work that is usable as is, meaning work that does not need to be corrected, missing information that needs or should be supplied, and clarifying information that should or could have been clearer. The deployment lead time is another subset of the value stream. And this one begins with an engineer in the value stream making any checks to or changes to the version control, and ends when that change is successfully running in production. This provides value to the customer and helps also generate feedback and telemetry. So our deployment lead time continued. Got the first two phases here. The first phase, design and development. A lot of high degree of creativity and work. Process time will have high variability. And the second phase is testing operations. Requires creativity and expertise. It's predictable and mechanical, and variability is minimized. The goal overall is to have testing and operations occur simultaneously in the designing and development process. It'll enable fast flow of high quality, and it will succeed mostly when small batches are used. The lead time versus processing time. Process time starts only when begin work on the customer's request specifically, and omits the time that the work is in queue waiting to be processed. Lead time clock starts when the request is made and ends when it is fulfilled. This is a scenario of lead time requiring months. Lead time is what the customer experiences. Typically, the focus is on lead time instead of on process time. And this is along with large, complex organizations that are working with tightly coupled monolithic applications, often with scarce integration test environments. It has long test and production environment lead times and high reliance on manual testing. And multiple required and approval processes. This is a lead time of minutes. Starting there on the left of the commit stage, which is tend to be automated, then your automated test, exploratory test, and production deployed. This will enable fast, constant feedback on work, which enables it to be quickly and independently implemented, integrated, and validate the code, and also allow the code to be deployed into the work production environment. Small changes to the code are checked continually. It's a modular architecture, well encapsulated, and loosely coupled so small teams can work with high degrees of autonomy, failures small and contained, and without global disruptions. The 3 ways, principles underpinning DevOps. Will enable fast left to right flow from the development to operations. The work is visible. Smaller batch sizes and intervals of work. Build in quality by preventing defects to the downstream work centers, and constantly optimize for global goals. And the second way, fast and constant flow feedback from right to left at all stages. Amplified feedback to prevent problems. Creation of ever safer systems of work, so problems can be found and fixed before catastrophic failure. And then the third way, creation of generative, high-trust culture that supports a dynamic, disciplined, and scientific approach to experimentation and risk-taking, facilitating the creation of organizational learning. Multiply the effects of new knowledge and local discoveries transformed into global improvements, and the collective experience of everyone in the organization. Conclusion. Discuss the manufacturing and technology value streams. Lead time is a key measure of effectiveness in both manufacturing and technology value streams. And then the 3 ways, fast left-right flow, constant flow of feedback from right to left, and high trust feedback loops between everyone. This is Group 3, Chapter 1 presentation, CIT 262. Thank you.